Sometimes in programming we find ourselves coding from a table. If x is 1.9, return 250, for example. Sometimes we get this table in very tabular format, but how do we take this format and turn it into something we can execute in our compiler? This example happened to me tonight, where I had a formula from a table, and I was able to turn it into a Lisp script and test it out. Testing the Lisp script showed me that I had correctly translated all the values, and the whole idea. I would use the lisp cond command, which is essentially a big case statement if you're familiar with other languages like C or Ruby. What this will do is execute every item like this, and if that is true, it will output this second parameter here in the S expression. In the list, and once it finds a match here in this first parameter, it will exit. So it was easy to prove the correctness in Lisp, and slightly easier or slightly harder to do in C. This is my target language is Objective-C. However, I realized that I could use the BBEdit find window to find and transmogrify the statements into C if statements. Take a look here in my find window. What I do is I select the stuff up until the greater than symbol, and density is our first is our keyword here that we care about, and what we really care about is this number right here. So we create a regular expression group, and we do digits 0 or 1 or many dot /d at least one integer, some white space, and we grab the integer again. Okay, and now let's use the find next command and replace and find. You see the second parameter to the greater than operator is grabbed, and we return what was in the second parameter of the list here. And we can go through the list here, just replace and finding, and we can quickly turn this into a calculate the thing int den. Oh, it's probably a float. City. And that is how you can take a table expressed and turn it into a bit of C code, in this case, that you can execute. Thanks to the power of regex, you could pretty much do any input format you want. In this case, Lisp happened to be our input format, but it could very well be an HTML table or a CSV or whatever else, an XML document. And you can use the regular expressions and create a little bit of source code from that and paste it into your app, which is what I plan on doing with this little function here. I hope this is helpful, and have a good day.